Sometimes when we come up with a scheme for a plane, it includes a graphic that's just not realistic for us to paint. So what we'll do is this little trick here where we take a piece of laminate, attach it to a regular piece of paper. I'm not sure if this is completely necessary, but every time we've tried it with just plain lam, it didn't work. Put the laminate with the rough side up, shiny side down, attach it to the paper, and then put it in the printer just as you would any other normal paper. You might need to flip your graphic around so that everything reads correctly because you're basically printing it on the back side of the laminate. When you apply it to the plane, if you apply the graphic directly to EPP, it'll give you a sort of a cool distressed look. But if you want it to be nice and sharp like this one, you'll want to apply it on top of the laminate after you're done. So you'll just basically paint the plane and leave the space for the graphic and then apply the graphic last.